Hey traders, welcome to the pre-market analysis. Let's start with Nifty 50. So in the last Friday trading session, the market opened at the price of 15,839 and made a low of 15,772 and started moving upward, made a high of 15,870. So the market closed around 15,860, which is 21 points higher than the opening price. So the Nifty closed with a positive note. On the Friday trading session, the foreign institution sold for 678 crores and domestic institutions bought for 1832 crores. So tomorrow is a Monday. How could we trade for tomorrow? Let us see. So the market is traveling from here, making a sideways, touching the support, resistance and support, then resistance hitting the supply zone, then came support, then demand zone, then move again to supply zone, and then yes, now it is nearby the mid of the support and resistance and made a bullish momentum, hit the resistance and now closed nearby supply zone. So what could be the scenario for Monday? You could see the market has started its uptrend. So the market has to be above this level to continue its uptrend. If the market opens flat or gap up, wait for a candle to be closed. If the candle closes with a bullish momentum, for example, if you get a pin bar in a 15 minutes time frame, you could go for a strong buy by keeping its low as a stop loss. So the level might be if the market opens flat or above the 15,870, 880 around this region, you could wait for the candle to close above 15,890 so that you could confirm that the bulls are stronger there. So after that you could go for a buying by keeping the candles low as stop loss. If the market opens gap down, you could see that the market has pushed the market upwards, so they have to keep the market price above. If it again crosses below the trend line or opens gap down, again the selling pressure might be there. If a market opens gap down below this trend line or below the region of 15,790, there is a high probability of selling pressure. You could keep the opening candles higher stop loss and go for a 15,750 and 50,700 as your first and second target for Nifty. So this is all for Nifty. Let's now move to Bank Nifty. Yes, the Bank Nifty is also nearby resistance area. And in previous video we discussed about a Fibonacci levels, right? Let us again do that. Fibonacci projections that is available in Chart IQ in Zerodha. As I told you earlier, 38.2 and 61.8 is my important levels. I consider these are important levels in Fibonacci. Change to 30 minutes time frame so that we will get a clear view. The market traveled from here, then here, then here. So yes, on that day we discussed that moved above. If the market moves above 38.2, there is a high probability of reaching the 61.8 level. So the market has now reached the 61.8 level. So what could be the next? If the market opens flat and the first 5 minutes or 15 minutes candles closes as a negative candle or a bearish candle, you could go for a selling. If the candle opens above the resistance, there is a little 50-50 probability of moving to the supply zone. Okay, so the market may try to hit the supply zone, so you could go for a buy from the range of 35,500 to 35,650, 35,700. This is for buying option. So wait for the first 5 minutes and 15 minutes candle. It's according to you. I used to trade in 5 minutes candle time frame, so I'll be preferring 5 minutes. You could also do trading by closing confirmation of 15 minutes candle time frame. It will be much safer. This is for Bank Nifty. And now let's move to natural gas. As we discussed in the last trading video, we will be discussing about natural gas from upcoming videos. So the natural gas has moved nearly 4 trading consecutive sessions. Yeah, it has moved upward on the last 4 trading sessions. It was consecutively moving upward from here to here. You could see clearly that market has made a consolidation over here, then moved to next region, made a consolidation, gave a breakout. Now it is nearly 261. So how could we take the trade? Wait up a second. Yes. So you could go for a buy if the market opens near 261 and make a bullish candle. You could keep this region 259 as a stop loss and you go for a buy. You could go for the risk reward ratio of 1:2. If the market opens flat or gap down near 257.50, your target might be 254, it might be 255, and second target will be 251. So this is the scenario for natural gas. The market is now moving in a very good uptrend. The trend may be continue for next week also, but this is a very huge momentum. You could go for a buy only if the candle closes above 261. Keep stop losses 259 and go for your profit. It might be 1:2 or 1:3 according to your risk. So now we have discussed for Nifty 50, Bank Nifty and natural gas. Hope you have liked the video. If you like the video, hit the like button and do subscribe our channel so that you will be getting notified whenever we upload new videos. And you could follow our Telegram channel. In our Telegram channel, we will be updating the live market levels for trading on the live market. Thanks for watching. Have happy trading.